Fresh arrival! We got ourselves a 2019 CrossRoads Volante 33DB. This, folks, is a two-slided unit with a bunk room for the kids out back. Love the fact that we have a slide here up on the fireside. We got two power awnings, outside speakers. This awning we're having a little issue with that we're going to fix, of course. Take a look at this outside kitchen. It's super clean. Doesn't look like it was ever used. It is prepped for a backup camera. Comes from our store originally. There is a slide for the bunk room out back. 30 amp power connection. There's your hot water tank. Outside shower. Storage out front. Those two 30-pound propane tanks will be filled up. That battery will be replaced or fully charged. Our tongue jack out front. Let's go in. Ah, nice in here. All right, as I was mentioning, the slide out up on the fireside. Love it. Lots of windows. You can see what's going on. U-shaped dinette, that converts into a bed. This sofa converts into a bed. Directly across from that sofa, it's going to be a spot for the TV. When I say the TV, this comes with 3 TVs. Fireplace, if that's throw out some heat. Just do a little 360 here. Here's your kitchen area. Check out this pantry. It is absolutely huge. The Dinette fridge is a RV fridge, so it works on propane and electricity. You see it's nice and clean. We didn't clean it. Not yet. We'll get there. High point microwave. Where do we go? Kids? Mom and Dad? Oh, let's go this way. All right. Kids room. There is your bunk room, folks. So that sofa converts into a bed. There's a bunk down on the floor. Or a mattress, I should say. Probably not so comfortable. Now this bunk goes up. More headroom. Directly across the ways. Spot here for your TV. No, I stand corrected. Not your TV, the TV. That TV goes right there, and that TV goes in the living room. Folks, this is a bath and a half. Full disclosure, somebody opened up the slide here, and just underneath or out back, this door was partially open and broke off the handle. But trust me, back there is a half bath, so toilet and sink. And that, of course, will be fixed. All right, bathroom. Now let's go to the bedroom. Boom! Hello, bedroom. His and her closets. Look at the size of that TV. It's huge. Okay, so you get a solid door that closes here for your bedroom. That's another door to go to the bathroom. Speaking of bathroom, let's go in there. Next, porcelain toilet. We got a sink, medicine cabinet. Look at the storage here. Love that. And a nice stand-up shower with a skylight. All right, folks, I like it. I like it a lot. All right, if you like what you see, folks, please give one of our sales staff a call. Book your appointment. We'll get it ready for show. And hopefully, it'll be your new home away from home. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.